Books are our true friends. The knowledge which is written in the books are the experiences of the individuals who lived life in this planet, and the way they express it shows their own perception, their own experiences, their own ways of perceiving the life and everything. But for us, when we study, books only means for us as textbooks. When we talk about textbook, like a book which is written for a prescribed syllabus, and we are just bound to study it because we have to pass the class, we have to pass the examination and everything. And when we grew up, at that time we see different variety of book, and that we know as in universities we talk about reference books and everything. But away from this, we must try to develop an interest of going through books as a part of experiencing life, as a part of experiencing culture, as a part of learning new things. And this is why it is said that books are our true friends, because when you talk about the autobiography of an individual, you can think of a model, that a person who lived his life with a certain model, what kind of results he got. So if you will go through that kind of things, then definitely you will learn that this is what I have to do, this is what if I will do, what kind of results are going to come. Like, it is not always assured that the same thing will happen, but you get to learn about so many things when you talk about a book from author which is from your country, your state, your culture. He or she must be having a different perspective than others, like people from writing from other countries, other states, other cultures. So by sitting at only one place, you get so many opportunity to learn, because the time which we waste in gossiping about others, the time which we waste of doing this and that, like, I find one thing very interesting here, that people are so much intact with books, like they invest their quality time for studying books, and along with that, like, they always carry a book with them. They go to libraries. Libraries are the place for visit to them, not only like for a person who is studying any course or is enrolled into a certain program is supposed to visit library because of taking notes or other things, but with passion and with profession and with interest, people are going to libraries. So if this is going to happen, then how much quality time we are going to invest in books, and how many things we can learn, how much knowledge we can gain. And in all this statement that books are our true friends, like when we pour our experiences into something and we want others to understand that, in the same way there are millions of people who pour their experiences in written form in books, and they actually wanted to inspire us too. So now it's our time to understand the importance of reading, to understand reading as a skill, and to get in connection with books as much as possible, because in reality books are our true friends.